how to install shaders in Minecraft. Hello everyone, it's Morgan here and welcome back to our channel Create, Login and Delete. So let's start the video. In today's video, we're going to take Minecraft's world from basic to breathtaking views by using the shaders. Shaders add incredible lighting effects, water physics, and shadows, making your world look like a whole new game. So what you will need? First step, make sure you have the Minecraft itself. Then we will need Optifine. Optifine helps Minecraft run smoother and is required for most shaders. Now the second requirement is obviously to have a stable internet connection. Make sure that you do have a stable internet connection so that you can download Optifine, and after that you will be able to download the shaders, use it on the game, and enjoy the whole new level of Minecraft. So let's get into it. Now the first thing that we're going to do is to download the Optifine. So open up your browser and search Optifine. Open up the website. From here, go to downloads and just tap on mirror. Tap on download and the file will be downloaded. And after the file is downloaded, just open up the file and open the installer and tap on install and the Optifine will be installed. Now after the Optifine is downloaded, we need to download the shaders pack. And from here, open up the new tab and search for shaders. Or you can simply search for shaders pack for Minecraft on your browser. But now I'm gonna go with shaders. From here, navigate yourself to the download section and select the version of shaders that you want to download according to your PC specs. If you do have a high-end PC, you can go for extreme or extreme volumetric lighting, but if you do have a budget level or mid-range PC, just go for that light version. For now, I'm gonna go with light and I'm gonna simply tap on download, and you just need to wait a few seconds, and after that tap on skip, and from here simply tap on download and the shader will be downloaded. Now after this, we need to open the Minecraft. From here, click on options, go to video settings. From there you would be able to see the shaders option. Just tap on shaders and then you need to open up the shaders folder and just drag the downloaded file, and then you're good to go. So in this way you can download shaders in Minecraft. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.